end-to-end testing. So what is end-to-end testing? So end-to-end testing means, see here. So end-to-end testing topics. So from application is starting functionality start from where? First module to last module. Test the application functionality from first module to last module. These are the examples: flights, so models, so hotels, trains. These are all the examples. So you can check the application. So if you go to the hotel, okay, so entry gate and exit gate are also there. Okay, you can check all the rooms and beds, so fans are working or not. Okay, so washrooms is good or not. So you can check all the functionalities in the hotel. So same like train also. Okay. So this is you can starting from starting module to ending module or first module to last module. So in real time, manual testers are conducting what end-to-end testing. This is called what system integration testing. So see this one. So more than what there are two types. First one is what multi-user testing and multi-quality testing. So what is multi-user testing? So multi-user testing is a so you can access more than one user at the same time. Okay, more than one user access the same functionality at the same time. See this one application in this application is working or deadlock. Okay, we can check this one, test it. So IRCTC page. So there are 4 testers are accessing this application at the same time only. Okay, so in this situation, so application is deadlock or not. So deadlock means it is stopped. So you can see the Chrome browser page. So if you run the browser, so you can launch the number of, you can click on the browser number of times. It is open how many times? So many times it can be opened. So at that time, so the system server is very slow. Okay, our system it can be slow. So that means it is called deadlock. Okay. So what is multi-quality testing? See this one. So localization. So multi-quality means localization and internalization testing. So what is localization? Localization is test the application for local languages, and the internationality testing means test the application for international languages. So during this testing team can concentrate on country-wise dates or not. So we can country-wise dates are different. International language means country dates are different, and the time formats and the currency formats are also different. So string formats is called as testers can conduct this testing with the help of string table. So what is string table? String table is given by the client from the Excel sheet. Okay. So client is giving the string table to you. So what is that table? Is that table contains one Excel sheet. Okay. So next one, what is the entry criteria for UAT? UAT means user acceptance testing. So user acceptance testing entry criteria is after completion of the software testing. That is the entry criteria. Next, user acceptance testing. See this one. After completion of software testing, customer give the feedback on the BRS documents is called as a user acceptance testing. What is the purpose? Purpose is to validate the end-to-end business flow. Okay, to validate end-to-end business flow. So next UAT is a black box testing. So PO is conducted this testing. Okay, product owner is conducted this testing. So UAT testing is 2 types. First one is what alpha testing. Second one is what beta testing. So what is alpha testing? Alpha testing is suitable for projects. So beta testing is suitable for products here. Okay. So what is projects? Projects are developed based on the customer requirements. Okay, specific customer requirements is called as the alpha testing. So invite customers into development area or development company. So operate software screen by screen here. Okay. So then customer is understanding that screen. Okay. After that, we can collect the feedback from customer with presence of what? Developers and testers. Okay. Corresponding developers and testers. So next alpha testing is conducted only development location. Okay. So next beta testing. So see this one, products are developed based on overall requirements in the market. So market లో ఏ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ అయితే కావాలో దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని చేసేదాన్ని మనకు ప్రొడక్ట్ అంటారు. Okay. So in this stage, trial version is in this stage we can release what trial version in the market, and then we can collect the feedback from customers. Okay, with the presence of developers and testers. Okay. So beta testing is conducted in client location. Okay. So why client location? We can release the product in client location or not. Okay. Anyone can purchase from market. So this one. So developed from Microsoft company. So question is here. One question is there. Are you involved in user acceptance testing? No, I am only conducting only software testing only. So I know about the user acceptance testing. This is the answer. Okay. Note in real time. First we can conduct what unit testing or integration testing with the help of developers. So second, we can conduct a software testing with the help of testers. So next thought we can conducting user acceptance testing. So it is with the help of what? User acceptance testers. So in this testing, development team and testing team and user team accepting using what dummy data and sample data. So in some organization, separate UAT testers are available. Okay, in some organization, PO conducting user acceptance testing. In some organization, software testers are conducting user acceptance testing. So see this one next. Concept release. So what is release here? Release is a deployment. So development is complete in development environment. Testing is complete in testing environment. We can check this is called as a release. Okay, project is released from where? Development environment to testing environment. So after that project is released from testing to client location. Okay, first project released from development to customer location, the testing environment, and then testing environment to client or customer location. Okay, so in this stage, project management can select a few developers and testers. Okay, for software release purpose only. So the selected team members are called as what? On-site team or real team, release team. So release team members will come to the customer location and conduct release testing by following techniques. See this one. These are the techniques. So complete installation, next overall functionality. So input devices support and operating system support. Okay. So complete installation, overall functionality, input devices support, and operating system support. So after completion of release, okay, testing team release what? Provide training to the customer site. Okay. After completion of release, testing team release the team members and can provide training to customer site people. OP building, IP building, OP form. So we can give the training to these people. After that, we can sit into the, okay, I can post into the billing counter. Okay, next, are you involved in deployment? No, or yes. So different team is available for the deployment. This is the answer. So the team is what? 4 testers and 4 developers are there. Okay, one product owner, one business analyst, one scrum master, one product manager. Okay, one technical lead. These are called as what? One team. So deployment release and production release. See this one date. So 8 to 2015 testers. Okay, is they are the team. Okay. Release purpose, they are using what? Data and real data. So production release and deployment, URL is working on the same day. So example, morning 5 a.m. and evening 5 a.m. No. Software release purpose, separate URL is required. This is called as what? Product live environment. Okay. So software release purpose, separate URL is required. That is called as product live environment URL. So see this one. This is one URL. So see here, testing team can test the software with the help of what? Real-time data. So production environment is also called as a green or sort is what? A green environment. So production deployment is also called as what? Green deployment. Okay, production environment is a green environment and production deployment is green deployment. Okay, so next we will go for the maintenance topic. Okay, so in this stage, product manager can recruit some freshers and give training to, okay, provide training to software to handle what? SCR, software change request and change requests. Okay, so see here IRCTC company, IRCTC the app developed by whom? TCS company. So IRCTC people can send an email to TCS people regarding what issue? It is called what? Software request change or software. Okay, software change request or change request only. See this one. During utilization, customer facing a problem in the software is called as what? Failure here. So customer send an email to development company about what? Failure. Is called as what? Software change request or change request. Okay. So next one, what is the testing types? See this one, this is maintenance. During utilization, customers. Next, customer send an email to deployment company about failure. This is called software change request and change request. Next, testing types, we can all complete this: unit testing, integration testing, software testing, and user acceptance testing. Okay. So smoke and real retesting, sanity regression, we can discuss in next topics. Okay. So thank you all.